What do you think is the most important thing that humans offer to Faerie?
The thing that the humans offer truly is your tenacity.
Mm-hmm.
The tenacity of your loving.
Mm-hmm.
Because as you fall down, as you screw up, as humanity falls down and screws up, you always get up again.
Mm-hmm.
You always get up again and you come back at it. And eventually goodness and truth prevail. Absolutely so. But there is a human spirit that is unique in all levels of consciousness. In all levels of consciousness. And that's why one of the numerous reasons why this evolution that you're involved in is conscious, because you have the spirit to be able to do that. That human spirit is in everyone, but only expresses itself in the few. And that is uniquely human. The love that human beings are capable of feeling. Not all of them do, they don't know how. But the depth of love and the power of that love that humans can feel is different than what Faerie can feel, different than what other expressions of human throughout the universe says, plural, your universe and others can feel. Not every human gets to that depth, but it's there, and some do. Some reach that depth, and it shows in the greatness.